Okay, so let's have a look here. These questions are asking me to find percentages of numbers. Let's look at B. So I have 150% of 400. So let's have a look at to see how we end up with this, right? So I know that basically I express this percentage out of 100, right, to get rid of the percent sign. Of becomes basically a multiplication and then 400. Now what I look to do is I look to see, can I cancel anything out between the top and the bottom here? Okay, so I know basically that 100 goes into that and 100 goes into that, so I can take out that. So I'm left here with 150 times 4 all over 1. So 4 times 150, well 2 times 150 is 30, so I double that. So it'll be 600 is my answer for that. Okay, so let's have a look to see at F. So what we've got here is 225% of 32. So if we have a look here, 225 out of 100, I convert this to a percentage by basically just dividing by, I get rid of the percent sign, sorry, by dividing by 100, times 32. Remember, of in maths becomes a multiplication sign. So basically I then have a look to see what can I cancel out here at various stages. So I know that 4 will go into that 25 times and 4 will go into that 8 times. I know also that 25 goes into that once, and I know 25 goes into that 9 times. Okay, so what I end up with is 9 times 8 over 1. Okay, and so 9 times 8, okay, is 72. So I know that that's my answer there. Let's look at H. Okay, so with H, I've got 3000% of 20. Now it's going to be a fair bit. So let's have a look here. So I convert I get rid of the percentage of the 3000. So 3000 over 100, right? Because putting it per century or over 100 gets rid of the percentage sign, times, which is what my of becomes, 20. So let's have a look here. I know that two of those, that 100 there divides into 100 up the top. So I'm left with 30 times 20 over 1. So if I look at 30 times 20, that answer there is then 600.